Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie, and for today I wanted to go ahead and show you how to run a solo ad using a solo ad vendor that I particularly use. So I wanted to come up here to my Facebook page, that way you're able to see that this is me, Jackie Velasco, and I'm glad to be here on YouTube and providing this great information that not many of us know, because that's where I was at. So I want to go ahead and pull up a solo ad vendor here that I have used. His name is Michael Kyle. You can find him on Facebook. He's the Real Human Solo Ads website owner, and he does traffic here with the business opportunity and the make money online niche, which that's the niche that I'm currently in. And as well, he focuses on health and fitness and weight loss. So that's really cool because those are great niches to be in. So with Michael's website here, you're able to see he has testimonials on here, which is really great for a solo ad vendor. And as well, he does provide you a report after each traffic run, and he also provides a tier 1 traffic. Tier 1 traffic would consist of people from the USA, the UK, Canada, and Australia, and New Zealand. So when he provides you that particular report, you're able to see that that traffic was tier 1 traffic. So let's get started here. When you want to go ahead and get when you want to order from a solo ad vendor, you want to make sure you look at their website, take a look at their testimonials, make sure to contact them. If they say to contact them, contact them. I contact Michael through Facebook, and this is what I do with my steps. So let's just say here, for the sake of this video, I'm going to go back here to my Lead Capture Marketing Pro system. This is my dashboard. This is my back office. I'm going to go to my campaigns, and I'm going to go to my capture page. So I'm going to click on one of my capture pages, and I would be sending this particular link right here. I would send that to Michael. You don't send your domain name, you send the capture page link to your solo ad vendor, and he will test out the link to make sure it works. So after you get the confirmation that it works, you're able to order traffic. So it's recommended to start at 200 or 300 clicks. He can also customize the order at 200 clicks. Just message him beforehand. So let's just say I'm going to purchase the 300 clicks. I would go ahead and purchase this, pay for it. He sends you your invoice, and as well, when he completes the traffic, it takes about maybe 24 hours, he will send you a click magic report. So I'm going to show you here an example of one of mine, and you'll see here these are all the IP addresses here, the reports here from this particular run, and look, it was all 100% USA traffic. So that's really cool. It's really great. You get notifications on your Aweber showing that those people opted in, and I can say here with the Lead Capture Marketing Pro capture pages, the opt-in rate is between 50 and 60%. And usually for a great capture page, the opt-in rate should be at least 40% and above. So let's say with Digital Wealth Pros, this particular system that I'm promoting here, this is my back office. Let's say you're going to promote one of these capture pages. First, go ahead and send this capture page here, right here. Let's just take a look at capture page 2. You would send this capture page to your solo ad vendor. You would grab this link and send it to them. And if they approve it and they say it works, you're ready to go. You don't have to worry about sending some kind of email swipe. They will take care of that for you. So that's one of the quickest ways to build up your list with email marketing, is by purchasing solo ads and using a good solo ad vendor. So I hope you enjoyed this video here today with my review on how to send a solo ad. And if you want to get started today with a system that works and a callback team that's ready to close your sales for you, all you would be doing is driving traffic, which, like I mentioned, getting that capture page link, sending it to your solo ad vendor, and let that traffic come in. And while you're on automation, your autoresponder sends that follow-up email. And that's when it's up to you to follow up with them, because statistically it takes between 8 to 12 times for someone to realize, hey, this could actually work for me. I'm interested. I want this. So you grab that capture page, send it out, get your traffic running. And if you want to go ahead and plug into this system to use it for Digital Wealth Pros, I will leave a link in the description. So I also want to mention here, with Lead Capture Marketing Pro, you're able to make $300 off of this particular system. There's no monthly fees at all. And there's great training back here by Tammy Montgomery, the owner. She provided great training back here alongside the Facebook engagement training with her son Robert Montgomery. So you have tons of value with this particular system. Right here on the payment information, you would grab your affiliate link, and that's how you would be able to promote this system. So with Digital Wealth Pros, I have my link right here. You grab that link, the sales site, and that takes you here to the sales page with Digital Wealth Pros. So that's this is a particular offer I'm promoting right now. You're able to earn $200, $400, and $800 while on autopilot, meaning you can wake up with a sale while you sleep. So that's the goal, right? Be on automation. So I hope you like this video. I am going to leave the links in the description. And if you purchase anything from me, I do make a commission out of it. But as well, you can be doing the same. You can be learning email marketing, affiliate marketing. It just opens up a lot of doors of opportunity for you. And the great thing is, you start building your email list, start building that know, like, and trust factor with your subscribers, letting them get to know you and why this product is so important. So if you want to work less hours online and you want to be your own boss, it's great to plug into these kinds of systems because it gives you that advantage to do that. So let me just go ahead and end this video here today with that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my way of ordering solo ads. Make sure to always contact the solo ad vendor. So I hope you have a great day. I'll see you on the next video, and take care.